There are some days when I'm not sure what the fuck I'm looking for.
Sometimes I get angry, sometimes it don't flow. Sometimes I feel crazy, things that I don't show. But at the end of every day I know
I love it though.
Though it's knocking me down, I always get up, and I'm proud to do what I love. Yeah, 4 p.m. getting up, cigarette, light 'em up. Inhale, coffee cup, exhale, wake me up. No getting dressed, cause I'm working bad. Craft inside my hand before I grab the pen. And I watch your people from the inside. I feel cozy, you are running out of time. No, I don't give a shit, cause my watch is running on rhymes, not running on dimes. Pardon me if you might feel sore by me, cause you don't have the guts to give it what it needs. Bitch, don't be so sassy, cause you can't feel what this life that I choose takes from me. There are some days when I'm not sure what the fuck I'm looking for.
Sometimes I get angry, sometimes it don't flow. Sometimes I feel crazy, things that I don't show. But at the end of every day I know
I love it though.